Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is handling data. So data is a collection of information collection of information. Now here data, in this lesson you are going to learn about information from data representation on a bar graph, how to represent bar graph and draw bar graph to represent the data. And here is a data gathered by zookeeper about the number of animals in zoo. So here information is given in a, this is the information, gather information. Now we have to separate it. Okay, here together they given bear, deer, bird, tiger, birds, monkey, bear and here till here. So here we have to separate animal. This is the data, collection data. Animals, tallies or tally marks and numbers. So bear, how many times they written bear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a tally. This is called tallies. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is slash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. So 6 times bear is given and deer. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 times. So here 1, 2, how to write tallies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 4, 5 is a 1. These are tally, these tally marks. Means how many times deer is mentioned. And then monkey how many times? Monkey is mentioned 5 times here. So monkey 4 times here, then 1 slant line, then it is a 5. Totally it is a 5. So 5 numbers. Tiger how many times mentioned here? 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. And bird is mentioned here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 slash. So this is totally 5 and 2, 7. Next. So it is a handling data. Now next is a bar graph. A bar graph is a representation of number using bar of uniform width, and the length of the bars depends upon the frequency and scale you have chosen. So here, so this is called the bar graph, children. Number of animals in a zoo. So bears they given 6 times. So without, and deer is 8 times. Monkeys are 5 times and tigers 4 times. Birds 7 times. So instead of drawing animals, so with the columns and colors, vertical and horizontal line, yeah, these are, this side are numbers, number of animal, and this is name of the animals. And scale, here it depend upon the scale, we can take different numbers scale. Here vertical scale is used, 1 unit equal 1 animals. Okay, 1 unit equal 1 animal is given there. Now what are the bar graphs are used to compare things between different group or to track changes over time. So it is used to compare between different group or to track changes over the time. However, when trying to measure the change over time, bar graph are the best when the changes are longer in the area of graph. So here they asked here first question, how many bees? So how many bears are there? So here 1 to 6, 6 bear. How many deer? Deer are 1, 2, 3 till 8. Deer are 8. Then how many monkeys? Monkeys are, with the help of bar graph we can answer the question very easily. Okay, monkeys, deer are 8, and monkeys are how many numbers? Monkeys 5. 5. Okay, then 5 over, how many tigers? How many tigers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. The scale is 4. So tigers are 4. Then how many birds are there? How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds. So how many birds? 7. How many more deer than bears? Bears. How many more deers than bear? So here, what is the difference? 2. 8 and 6. How many more monkeys than tigers? Monkeys and tigers, what are the difference? 1. So it is used to find the difference, and it is very easy to represent the number and answer the question. How many less tiger than birds? How many less tiger than birds means difference. So how many less tiger than birds means 4 minus 7 means 3. So how many less monkeys than deer? How many less monkeys? Monkeys and deer is 3. 8 here and here is 5. So 3. 5 minus 8 is 3. Now exercise 14.1. Look at this bar graph. This is the bar graph. This is called vertical and horizontal. This is a bar graph. It shows marks that Tina, Sonu, Meena, Monu and Fida score in a maths test. So it is a marks score Tina, Sonu, Meena, Monu, Fida score in a maths test. So these are marks. So Tina's marks, Sonu, Meena, Monu and Fida. Answer the following question. What is the title of the bar graph? So what is the title of the bar graph? Means what it represent. Marks score by student in maths test. So what is the title? Marks score by student in maths test. Maths test. So marks scored by student in maths test. What does the horizontal line show? Horizontal line means sleeping line. What does the horizontal line shows? This is the sleeping line. So what is here? And this is a vertical line, standing line. This is sleeping line, horizontal line. Tina, Sonu, Meena, Monu, Fida. So number of student. Number of students. What is the vertical scale? What is the vertical scale? Scale means the measurement. So here each difference are 1 1. So if you can see, each difference are 1 1 here given. Marks each difference are 1 1. So vertical scale is 1 unit equal 1 unit is equal to 1 mark. So 1 unit is equal to here 1 marks, 1 marks, 1 mark, 1 mark. Scale is 1 marks. How many marks did Sonu get? Sonu scale. So where it stopped? 9. Orange color. 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many marks did Meena get? Where is Meena? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So line scale shows here 4, pink color. So Meena score 4 marks. Next, who scored the highest marks? That we have to check from here. Who scored the highest marks? Who is the highest here? 9. 9 means Sonu. Who is the highest? Sonu. That is 9 is Sonu. So who scored highest mark? Sonu. How much is asked? Score highest marks. 6. Sonu. Who score lowest marks? Who score lowest mark? Who is the lowest marks here? Meena. 4. Who score lowest mark here? Meena. Answer is Meena. By seeing graph, it is very easy to answer the question. Which two children got equal marks? So we have to check from the bar graph equal marks. So 8 is equal to green and blue line. So green is Tina and blue is Monu. Tina and Monu. And Monu scored equal marks. How many more marks did Sonu get than Meena? Sonu and Meena's difference. Sonu and Meena. Sonu marks is 4, 8, 9, 9. Sonu marks is 9 and Meena's marks is 4. Okay, the scale shows here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. 5. How many less marks did Tina get than Sonu? Less mark Tina and Sonu. Sonu is 9 and Tina is 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So what is the answer? 1. Next, B main. Children are different classes in a school took part in an annual day function. The bar graph tells us how many children participated from each class. So number of children, this is a bar graph, children. So here graph means data means just collected information from the survey and they represent on the graph. This is a graph means this is the vertical and horizontal line. This is a bar graph. Okay, with it is very easy if by drawing a things or drawing animal's face is very difficult to mention the word with the help of color. So here animal is in previous some Sonu, Mono, different colors, blue, green, yellow, orange is given, and in animals names of tiger, monkey, deers names also it is given with the colors. So drawing means take more time, with the color means we can easily represent it. So here number of children, this represent number of children. So 50 children are here and the title is number of children participating in annual day functions participation. So information about the number of children participating in annual day function with that information there in bar graph. So here and scale is 1 unit equal 5 children. So 1 is a unit equal 5 children, that means 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 they given. And that is a vertical number of children. And horizontal represent number of class wise, class first, second class, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, 5th. Here we cannot use a scale of 1 unit equal 1 child. Why? Why children? So a scale 1 unit equal 5 children is used. So what is the reason? Because the number of students here 50. So 51 unit equal 1 scale means it take more long. We can't draw in a single page. So we can, it is our wish to take the scale. It can be different in we can take 5 children or 10, 1 unit equal 5 children or 10 or 7 or 2.5, 2 or 3, any scale. So here number of students is 50. We can't draw if 1 unit equal to 1 children means 50 we have to write. Okay, total student is 50 or 45. Highest student 45. So we have to write in numbers 1 to 45. So we can't write. That's why they took 5 children. 1 unit equal 5 children is used. Answer the following question. How many children from class 5 took part? Class 5. So here how many children? 5, 10, 15, because 1 scale equal 5, 10, 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So here also we can 35. Here it's end and it represents 35. So how many students participate in the 5th standard? 35 students. From which class did 20 children take part? From which class 20 children take part? 20. 20 is here. So pink color. Which class? Class 3. So class 3. 3rd standard. Okay. Represent 20 children. Next question. What is greater, the number of children who took part from class 3 to or class 5? Which is a greater? Class 3. 20 student and class 2 is 45. So it is a greater. Class 5th is class 2. Difference number of children took part in a class 3 or class 5. Class 3 is 20 And class 5 is how much? 35 student participated. Class 5 is 35 student. In third standard, how many student? 20. So which is a greater one? Which is a more student? Class 5. Answer is class 5 are greater than more than class 3. Because class 3 only 20 students are participated, but in class 5 35 students are participated. Next, how many viewer children took part from class 1, then from class 2? 1 and 2 we have to compare. Class 1, how many students? 40. Okay, it ends with 40. And class 2, it ends in 45. So, what is the difference? 45 and 40 means 5. 45 minus 40 is 5. From which class did 45 children take part? From which class 45 children take part? 45 it hand in green. So class 2. Green represent class 2. So which class? Class 2. From which class did the least number of children take part? Least means less amount. So here 20 is the least amount. Which class? Pink color, third standard, class 3. So which class? 3. From which class did the most children take part? Highest amount, highest range. So highest is 45. Which student? Class 2nd. Class 2. So answer is class 2. Third main. Read the given information and mark. Make the bar graph. The first bar is made for you. Marks in maths obtained by children out of 100 in the final examination are as follows. Tina 95. Okay, 95 means here 90. Scale is vertical scale. 1 unit equal 5 marks, because 95, why they took 5 marks? They can take 1 marks also, no children, because the range is highest amount is, we have to check when we are doing bar graph, we have to check first smallest number and highest number. This is the information given here. Here smallest is 70 and highest is 95. So we have to write 1 to 95 means we can't write in a one small paper, this type of paper. So according to that we have to take the scale. So 1 unit equal 5 marks. So it is easy, no? 5 marks. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, in between they half of 5. 0 to 5 here 10, here 5, 10, 15 is here, they didn't mention, and 15 is here, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So here they colored. So already one is marked. Tina's mark is 95. So here vertical it's represent marks obtained, and the information is about marks obtained in a final examination. It is a title. Then in here we have to mention leave one space of gap, and Tina, Sonu, Meena, Monu, Fida means number of student. Vertical and here same colors we can, here the Tina is green, so we can change according to our wish, we can change the color. Then Sonu is 80. 80 means any color we can take. It is not necessary. And the previous names are similar to B, A main, but it is not necessary. We can choose our own color. Sonu is 80. Where is 80? Here. This is 80. Okay. Mark it here. 80. Then we have to color it. That is 80, no? On the same line. Meena is 75. Any other color? Meena 75. So Meena is here, and 75, 70 is here, plus 75, 80. In middle is 5. Okay, 75 means it comes here. Meena's name is here. So this is the last unit. So here you have to stop it, children, not above this line. this black mark you have to stop it. Okay, it becomes 76 or 7 then there. And color it. Oh, that is over. The next, any other color we can try. Mono. Mono marks is 70. Where 70 ranges here, and mono is this column. Okay, mark it here. Okay, and then color it. That is a Fida, and Fida mark is 90. Where is 90? 90 comes here. Fida's column you have to check. So 90 comes here. This line. This is Fida column. Is it? This Fida column. 90. Over. Fida till here. Okay. So who scored highest mark? Highest mark is 95. Who is that? Tina. And lowest, least marks is Monu, 70. And difference also we can find. Tina and Sonuma 95 and 80 is how much? Okay, with the help of bar graph. This is a bar graph. Now second one, number of children of different classes in Adarsh primary school are as follows. Class 1 is 45, class 2 is 30, and class 3 is 40 student, class 5 is 35, class again 4 is 35, and class 5 is 35. So one is marked. This represent, and the title is number of children in Adarsh primary school, and vertical line indicate the number of students, and the horizontal line sleeping line indicate the classes. Okay, and one unity could dash children. So how many? 0 to 5 they took, and total, because highest marks we have to check to take scale, highest and lowest we have to check. So here 45 is the highest. 45 means one unity ko one scale we can't take, because one unity ko one scale means 45 numbers we have to write. So we can make it short. 10 unit also we can take, or 5 unit also we can take. So here check the difference. 0, 5, 10. No off lines are given. In previous sum there is off line. Between 5 to 10 off line is given. But here 0, 5, 10 means scale is 1 unit equal 5 children. Okay, because the numbers are highest number, 45 numbers highest in this given information. So we can't draw or write 45 numbers. So that's why they make it short. So if a smaller number 5, 10 is given, means we can take 1 unit equal 1 student or class. So here 45, first one is here, class 1 is 45 here, and class 2 30. Where is 30? 30 is here. So we have to color with the class 2. Then class 2 30 student, class 3 40. Where we have 40, line 40 here, and should be class 3. Okay, class 3 and 40. Very careful. This is a line 40, class 3 is here, and 40 line is here. Or we can count and check children. So here 40, class 1 is 45. So 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Also we can 5, 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Here also we can 30 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The next is 40 means here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 here. The next class 4 is 35. So 5, one unit is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and check properly 35 stand and with 35. Okay, and color it. Okay, then class 5 is 35 again, 35 no. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 same. And it ends here only, or with the numbers, and here first mark it with the same horizontal line and color it. That's it. Our children. So who is the highest student in class? First 45 student, and least is class second, lowest 30 student, and same equal students in class 4 and class 5.